Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to install Banco BPM mobile application on your mobile devices. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on the option of search at the bottom right corner. From here, go to the search bar and simply search for Banco BPM. Now tap on the application on top. Now over here you'll see the option of install. Tap on it. Let's wait for some time until the app is being installed. This may take some time. So with that, you will successfully be able to install UApp Banco BPM mobile application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.